Welcome to our how-to series. No more walking in the dark in this investment space. I'll be doing videos to guide you through different investment platforms, and today we are looking at how to invest in Arvocap funds. So you have done your research, you have made up your mind to invest in one of the Arvocap funds. How do you proceed from there? So to invest in Arvocap, you'll need to go to their website, and to make things easier for you, I'll leave a link in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So all you need to do is to click on that link. When you click on the link, it will take you to this page. This is the sign up page. And if you already have an account, you will use the login button here. And if you have any question, you can always call this number. So you'll go ahead to fill in the details. It's very simple. Your name, your phone number, and your email. This is my referral link, just to say that I referred you. Then you go ahead and check this box and click proceed. They will send an OTP to your email that you indicated before. Get it and paste it here and click proceed. They will also send an OTP to your phone number, the one that you provided in our previous step, just to verify you keyed in the right number. And you can see there is an option to change if you made a mistake. So go ahead, type or paste the OTP and click proceed. The next thing that you'll need is to set up a strong password. The password should have all the requirements described here. After confirming, click save and proceed. After this, now you will use your email and password to log in, and henceforth, this is what you'll do to access your accounts. Key in the email you used to create the account and the password and click login. Choose which is the best place to receive the OTP. This is something that will be happening every time that you want to log into your account. They'll be sending a one-time password to you, either your phone number or your email. Just need one. So select which one is convenient for you. Get the OTP and paste it here. You have 1 minute before the OTP expires. So make sure that you key in before this time expires, okay? Click done and it will open your profile. So in your profile, you need to do a few things for you to proceed with the investment. First is to provide your documentations for verification and also for approval. So under some items need your attention, click on view, then click complete to verify your identity. Here you need to set up your personal information, payment details, next of kin, and also to upload your ID, that is the front and back, KRA PIN, and also a photo. Next step is to invest. First things first, you need to load your account with some cash or money. So to do that, you come here to your profile, click on the drop arrow, then select top up. You can top up through M-Pesa or bank. For M-Pesa, key in the amount and click on make secure payment, and you'll get a prompt on your phone to pay. So go ahead and key in your PIN for the M-Pesa PIN and your transaction will be done. You also have an option to pay through PayBill. If that is what you prefer, you can go ahead and you can copy and then you pay through the PayBill. You also have an option to top up from your bank account. So if this is your preferred method, just click on bank deposit and you'll get the details on how to pay. You have an option actually to copy these details and paste it to your bank. The next thing is to invest in your preferred fund. So you will click on Arvocap Funds, and here we have different categories. If you're interested in the money market fund, just click on the money market fund. If you're interested in other funds like the equity funds, you just click on that category. You can go through them all until you find your preferred fund. If you're not sure on which fund to invest in, I have done reviews on most of these funds. Comment the fund that you're interested in, and I'm going to link the video that you did to review that particular fund. And if you have not reviewed it, we're going to do a video just to review that particular fund that you're interested in. So now, let's say that you want to invest in Arvocap Almasi fund. We know that this is a fixed income fund, and if you don't know where it falls, just go through all the funds and you find it. So we will go to fixed income funds, and under Almasi, we click on invest. Key in how much you want to invest in the fund and go ahead and click on invest. And just like that, you have invested in Arvocap Almasi fixed income fund. And now you can wait for your money to make you more money. And if you're interested to know more about these particular funds, you can go through the library. They have provided documentation for all of these funds. And if you want to set up goals, you can do so here. And under goals, you have an option to actually lock in your money until you reach your goal. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested, check out this video. We assessed Arvocap Almasi Fund. Happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.